Alright guys, welcome back with Barnum's Auto. We have here a Chevrolet Impala. And it is a 2004 Chevrolet Impala 3.4. That is a V6 front wheel drive. We got us a miss. Let y'all guys hear it running. So instead of it hitting on 6, it's hitting on 5. So therefore, I'm gonna shut it off. I got a new coil pack. I'll show y'all how to replace it. Show you which one it is. So y'all just bear with me. Quick and easy, snazzy job. This is the coil pack that is having the misfire. It is cylinder 1 and cylinder 4 coil pack. Here's your number 3 and number 6, number 2 and number 5. This is our new coil pack. There's only one way to install it. So we're gonna try to give y'all a view of how to do this. Ladybird, hush, girl. Leave that dragonfly alone. I'm trying to make a video, damn it. Alright guys, sorry about the dog barking. Had to put her back in the house. She's in heat. It is a full-blooded blue razor mouth pit bull. We got a 5.5 1/4 inch drive socket. And what we're gonna do is 2 bolts. I'm gonna show you on the new one exactly how this is going to be set up. There's a bolt that's going to be in this hole, and then there's a bolt that's going to be in this hole. Break them loose. They do not have to be tight. Not one bit. Just snug them and go about your business. Alright, we got it broke loose. We're going to take spark plug number 1 off. I'm going to stick this in the ear of the transmission dipstick. I'm going to take number 2. I'm just going to let it free dance, free hang, whatever you want to call it. Go ahead and finish taking the bolts out. They're already loose enough. When you do the backside bolt that holds the coil pack down, you're going to have to feel around with your finger tips to line your socket up to it. Leave your finger on it. Just make sure you got it loose. Unthread it all the way. Leave your finger on the back side of that bolt on that coil pack so it don't fall down. and get hung up into the back of the motor or the side of the motor or whatever. Just slightly pull it up. And got one bolt, lay it to the side. Let the other one come out, lay it to the side. Now there's a plug. Almost puts you in the mind of a wall socket, whatever. Compare them. Looks identical. Looks identical. Set the old one to the side. Verify that's the new one because that was more cleaner. And I'm gonna try to show y'all the two little prongs that it actually plugs up into, which they are right there. Just wipe them down with your finger, rag, whatever, it don't matter. Take your bolt that you're going to put on the back side, just take your bolt and drop it back down in to the back side. You can grab your other one if you want to, don't matter. And taking, just laying your little plug-in prongs down nice and gently. Set your other screw down. Get your little socket 5.5 and extension and tighten it down by hand, of course. Feel with your fingers to line that socket up on the back side. Tighten it down with fingers. Reset your ratchet to tighten it. Just nice and snug. Nice and snug. It does not have to be super tight, because you can crack them coil packs for over tighten. Now I'm gonna plug up spark plug number 1. Make sure you feel a pop or hear a snap. You know you're located in there real good and secured. She's in good. Just move your finger around on the top to make sure. If you didn't hear it, remove all your tools in the old coil pack. I'm not quite sure what's going on with the starter, but every so often when I start the car up, the starter wants to drag. Had somebody tell me, say that I probably need to have a shim put on the starter. I don't really think so. I just think that something is wrong with the solenoid into the starter. But here we go. That screech noise, that was the starter. But hey, we don't have no misfire. I'm gonna put y'all back to the exhaust pipe and let y'all hear the difference from before and the after. Sounds a whole lot better, don't it, fellas? Now, if you don't have a scan tool like AutoLink, you can always take spark plug wires off of coil packs, and whichever one it is that changes the idle, then you know that's the situation that you're having the problems with. But other than that, thank you for watching Varnum's Auto. Please like, comment, and subscribe, please, fellas. I need some subscribers to help me make more videos of my life working on vehicles. So y'all please comment, like, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to help people that might need help, and this is literally my daily life of making these videos. I know I haven't been making them very long, but my daily life working on vehicles is mainly what I'm getting at. It's my passion. I love it. I love working on vehicles. I got another vehicle that I gotta work on somewhere around 2 o'clock today, and hopefully everything goes well. I'm gonna try to make a video of that. I know it's gonna be hard to do because I'm gonna be in a limited space. The girl called me and she said it is her brake light switch that's causing problems. Her brake light is continuously to stay on, and it killed her battery. So she's got a new brake light switch. She wants me to change it for her, but I will try my very best to make a video of it. I don't know how long it's going to take and how difficult it is, because I think she said it was a Honda or something like that. But y'all stay tuned. Thank you for watching Varnum's Auto. Have a good day.